Good afternoon. Welcome to Friday's Inside Look by Brooks. Steve Brooks here. So I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. And we are looking forward to a Happy New Year. And that's what I wanted to talk to you about. So I heard on the news the other day that I believe it is Hillsborough County that the Sheriff's Department is warning people about celebratory gunfire that people shoot in the air. In the last few years, actually a couple of people have been killed by that type of activity because the bullet that goes up comes down, and sometimes there's a human in the way and you can get seriously hurt. So number one, even though that seems like a very slim chance, you want to be very careful if you're going to use a gun. And I wouldn't use a gun on New Year's Eve, but if you are, I would shoot it in the ground. Not in the air, not at people. So we all know about drinking and driving, but to go a step further than that, you want to be really intentional about your plan. So, if you're planning to go out with a group, you want to pick someone who maybe doesn't drink or doesn't enjoy drinking as much, and all agree in advance this person is our driver. Or better yet, if you're going out with a group, take Ubers. Everybody uses Uber. When I travel, I love Uber because literally your phone means that you've got a car probably a minute away. So Uber would be my choice. One thing that always I'm reminded of is our pets. Our pets don't know what to think of all this noise, and sometimes they can really freak out. So, take care of your pet. They're there for us when we're down and out. They've got that unconditional love that we just can't get from others sometimes. And so be mindful of your pets. I want to thank Center State Bank. We just kind of took some of the tips they posted on their bank website. I can say that, if you're at a house party, that's going to be the safest place to be because you're in a controlled environment with people And it's sometimes when you get out in the bars and nightclubs, you're around strangers and you don't know their personalities and what might erupt. So I hope everybody has a wonderful, wonderful celebration to celebrate a great 2018 and look forward to a prosperous 2019. 2018 was a really good year for the Brooks Law Group. We have got some of the best team members in the world. We've got a wonderful culture, and we had a record year. So I'm very proud of our team and all they've accomplished this year. And it's our tradition to have a kind of the state of the firm in January. So we're going to have that next week where we gather the whole firm, all 30 of us, into a room and kind of lay out what we accomplished last year and set forth our vision for next year. And that's always a fun time. It allows us to get everybody on the same page and kind of celebrate our accomplishments and look forward to a great new year of working together. So Happy New Year, everybody. And I will see you next Friday at Friday's Inside Look by Brooks. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me, steve@brookslawgroup.com. Always willing to talk to you about any legal issues that might come up. So other than that, be careful and have a good one. We'll see you next week. Bye.